If you have been following a ketogenic diet and are still looking for that perfect high-protein, keto-friendly shake, today's recipe might just be the answer. With 25 grams of protein and only 7 grams of carbohydrates, this creamy, fruity, amazingly delicious shake will not only keep your body fueled all day long, but will activate your fat-burning cells and also your longevity switch. Let's get blending a high-protein, keto-friendly shake. To get started, you're going to want a powerful blender, whether it's a Ninja or my choice is a Blendtec. If you don't have one, scroll down and you can get a powerful blender in the links below. You'll need it for this recipe as well as so many more recipes that you're going to want to make that are keto friendly. So to start off, we are adding coconut milk to our blender jar. This is what's called a twister jar. It's a twister jar because you can twist it like that and it kind of scrapes down the size for you. Love it. And in addition to the coconut milk, I'm adding some heavy cream, keto-friendly heavy cream. And in addition to that, we are adding some sweetener, whatever your favorite sweetener is. This happens to be monk fruit with erythritol and also our protein powder and some chia seeds. The chia seeds act as a thickener. They're also great for protein. Nice, generous tablespoon of them. These are black ones. You can get white ones. Just scroll down to the link and there's both the black and white ones there. We're gonna add a half of a avocado. This adds some nice healthy fat that's so great for your brain. My favorite avocado slicer. Peaches, probably about 1/4 cup. Blueberries, either fresh or frozen. These were frozen. They're starting to melt because it's so warm today. And some vanilla. Yum. And MCT oil. MCT oil is important when you're on a ketogenic diet because it also can be converted to ketone bodies and will act as an alternate fuel source for your brain. It helps your body be metabolically flexible, critical when it comes to aging, especially when it comes to preventing cognitive decline. Things like Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's disease, and other diseases like that. You want to make sure that your brain is getting plenty of fuel. And sometimes your diet may not be providing it in the form of glucose. So MCT oil is great for adding to a protein shake, a smoothie, putting it in your cereal, all kinds of places. You can add it into your diet. And that was a sprinkle plus a little bit more of some cinnamon, and everything's better with a little pinch of salt, unless of course you're on a no salt diet. And lastly, I'm gonna add in some ice cubes without getting too much of the water that was melted. And that is all of our ingredients. Time to blend away. Stir it a little bit here and turn on the blender. Marvelous. This is creamy, thick deliciousness, loaded with protein, healthy fats, and so great for a post-workout shake. And who recognizes this from their childhood? I know I'm dating myself now, but I used to go down to the corner drugstore and order a milkshake, and it always came in one of these. And I would share, my brother and I would go together, and he would have one straw, I'd get the other. And of course, being my brother, it was kind of ew, but you know what? We would share it, and it was always a race to see who could get to the bottom first. I'm not sure how much we actually enjoyed it because we just didn't want our sibling to get a whole lot more than us. Kids, huh? Gotta love it. Seen my own kids and grandkids do something similar. We're gonna pour that into our milkshake container. And now it's time to add a few extra blueberries on top, little garnish. Doesn't add much in the way of carbs, but a little bit. You wanna limit the blueberries and also the peaches because both of them are relatively high in carbs, but they're also so good for you, especially the blueberries. I call those blueberries brainberries. And a little sprinkle of chia seed. Do you hear that lovely sound of running water? It's my fountain. I finally got it running. Here it is, almost halfway through the summer, and I finally got my fountain running. For me, it is one of my favorite things when I come outside. Just stop, take a deep breath, and listen to the sound of that fountain. It just relaxes me and puts me in the mood to do whatever it is that I'm getting ready to do. Let's give this amazing looking, high protein, keto-friendly shake a try. Yeah, better than those shakes I used to have at the corner grocery store when I would race my brother to the bottom of that container. This one I'm going to sip and savor, but I also am wondering, is it really keto friendly? So I have my continuous glucose monitor on, and I will be showing you the graph of this shake when I ate it 1 hour later and 2 hours later. Let's see how keto friendly it is, and if it does help manage my blood sugar or if it spikes it. We're gonna find out. Here's the graph of my blood sugar after I drank that keto protein shake. At about 10 a.m. when I drank the shake, it was 90, and then 1 hour later at 11 a.m. it was 89, and 2 hours later at 12 noon, it was 86. My blood sugar did not change as a result of drinking the keto protein shake. So there you have it, a keto-friendly, high-protein shake that tastes amazing, kicks those fuel-burning fat cells in high gear, and keeps your body fueled all day long. If you're interested in staying healthy, keeping your body strong, and activating your longevity switch, click that like button and subscribe. Also, go to my website for more recipe, tips, and longevity information to help you live longer, look better, and stay healthier. We'll see you next time on the Dr. Joanette channel. Thank you so much for watching.